Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, you will learn how to limit the RAM or memory usage for the Opera GX web browser really quickly and without having any advanced technical skills whatsoever. So let us show you how to do that. Launch the Opera GX web browser, and here on the left sidebar, you will see this feature at the top, GX Control. If you don't see that icon, guys, don't worry. Simply right click on the sidebar and select Sidebar Setup. And here browse through the available supported features to find that GX control feature. As you can see, it is here. So simply select it here to the right to enable it. That's like that. And after that, click on it. And what you want to do after that, guys, is enable the RAM limiter here at the top by switching it on and set your maximum memory limit in GB here, for example, depending on your computer's GB, of course, or memory. So you may, for example, set a maximum GB limit of 4 GB, 4.558, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. Once you have enabled it, it will be in work so that you may use that RAM limiter here on Opera GX to not use too much of your computer's memory. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.